What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to identify fonts. I found this website pretty useful and I'm going to use it next time because I used it last week and I was looking for the name of a font which I used on my previous video. I've forgotten the name of the font which I used on my previous video, Grave Audio USB DAC. So I was like, damn, how am I going to remember the name of the font I used? So I bumped up to this website. This website actually helped me. This website is called My Font by Monotype. So if you want to identify your fonts, all you have to do is to use the image of the font you want to identify. If you see a font on websites or a YouTube thumbnail you want to identify, you can use this website to identify the font. You can also access this on your mobile phone. It's just a website, so you can also use it on mobile phone. So what I'm going to do now is to show you how to do it. You snip out the part of the font you want to identify. This is the video I want to identify right here. I'll go and snip out a little bit of a text, save the image on my desktop, go back to the website and upload the image. Identify font. Right now you're going to select the font you want to identify. You have to be very precise so that the website will know what you're actually looking for. You have to be very precise. When you are done, you click on identify font. Boom, you can now see the name of the font. This is how you identify fonts with this website, just like a Sajam of fonts. Anyway, that will be all for this quick video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.